Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to explore one more feature of the Microsoft package. The product name is Sway. Sway is a service offered by Microsoft using which you can create some presentations, web pages, documentations, etc. within minutes, and that too without coding. It's a very simple and easy way of creating attractive documents. So Sway is a free service. You can access that at sway.office.com. First, you need to sign in using your Microsoft accounts to use these services. So let's click on Get Started. It will now ask me to sign in, and after signing in, I can access all the services of Sway. Now today we are going to see how to transform a simple Word document into an attractive and a shareable web page. So for this demo, I have created a document here. It contains some basic information about our YouTube channel. So I've got our channel description, then some information about our playlists. You can check out those playlists later on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated. And and then I've put our YouTube channel URL and our email ID as well. So we're going to transform this simple document into a nice looking web page. Now to access Sway, click on File at the top, then click on Transform right here. Now to the right, you can see that Transform to Web Page tab has opened. And we have got some different styles or templates to choose from. We have to select one from these options to transform our web page. So let's select the first option and then click on transform. But first, I think it will ask you for your account confirmation. Once you have confirmed your account, then after clicking on transform, Sway will start and your document will get converted into a nice looking web page like this. You can see it has added some decent animation, and it has also detected certain headings from the document that we provided, and it has arranged them in an attractive way. But now let's explore the different editing features provided by Sway. Here we have three options. Those are edit, navigation, and share. Well, let's go into edit first. We will explore the rest later on. So here now is our raw web page, and we've got, you can see at the top we've got storyline and design. This is how Microsoft Sway has basically parsed our Microsoft Word document. Now ASAP has been taken as the title and our channel description as text below the title. So in Sway, the content is processed in the form of cards. So you can see we have got title card, then a text card, then a heading 1 card, then another text card, then we have got another heading card, and again a text card. So let's see how to edit this text card. If we go into the text card, we have got some options here. If we click on heading, then this text card will get converted into a heading card. Currently, we are emphasizing this text, we are editing the text, hence the emphasize tab is selected by default. Then if we select the text and then click on accent, then the text will get an italic style. You can also add some bullets or numbers or links. But here we need to make this text attractive since this is the main description of our ASAP channel. So let's click on this option that says set emphasis on this card to moderate. So basically doing so the font size will get increased. So if we go into design to see how this change will look on the web page, we can see that the text size has increased. Now to see the difference, let's select the previous option again. This is how the previous selected option looks. Now if we come back to storyline, then select moderate feature, go to design again, and yeah, this looks much better. Now here we have an option to add a background image. But before doing that, let's explore one more feature of Sway. You can see the plus icon over here. If we click on that, then here Sway suggests some different items that we can add. For example, we've got heading one, then we've got text or an image or a stack, or you can also upload a file from your device. So these are the suggestions provided by Sway. If we go into text, we've got a heading card, then we've got another heading card of a different style, and we've also got a text card, so you can select any of these options under text. In media, you can upload an image or a video or an audio. You can also embed code, like if you want to add some sort of 3D graphics, then you need to write your own code. And then you can also upload an item from your device. Under group, we have automatic group, which will automatically detect a group on the basis of content that's been provided. Then we have 4 different styles to group the data. So we have got grid, then comparison. So what comparison will do is it will, like the items will get stacked side by side, and then you can show comparison in between. You can add items in the form of stack, and you can also create a slideshow of your items. So for now, let's select stacks. Then let's add some content. Let's select some images. I'll upload these 4 images, which are, by the way, thumbnails of our videos, which you can go to YouTube and check out. They're pretty helpful, by the way. Now, after you have uploaded the images, you need to add these images to our group stack. So now let's go into design to see how our stack looks. Nice. If I click on the image, then the next image pops up. So basically, Sui has added some nice bit of animation here. And if you wish to see an enlarged image, then you need to click on this button. Now back to storyline, let's explore the group settings for this stack. Here too, if I select moderate option, then my stack size will become bigger. And if we, select the largest option, then let's go to design to see how the stack will look. And yeah, so the size has pretty much increased, and it is occupying a decent space on our web page. So here you can adjust the size of your stack as per your liking. Now let's select the first option, that is the smallest option for now. Here we have selected stack as the group type, remember, but we can also change it. So let's try and change it to grid, and let's go to design. Now here you can see that the images look real nice in a grid form also. Now let's go back and select stack. Now moving on to the next part of our content, that is on to the next playlist. Here let's try adding a couple of images in the form of a slideshow. Now I need to add a couple images again. So here I'm adding images that are again thumbnails of our Microsoft O365 application videos that we have uploaded on YouTube. They are real helpful. You need to go and watch them after this video. So after uploading these images, I need to add them to the slideshow group, and then let's go back to design. Let's see how it's looking. Wow, it looks really good. But let's do one value addition here. If we go into storyline and into group type here, then we have got 2 more slideshow designs. So we have got a continuous slideshow, and we have got a slideshow with thumbnails. So let's select the second design, the one with the thumbnails, and go to design. Yeah, this one looks much better now, because I can see a small thumbnail of each slide, and it helps me navigate easily. And here you can focus on a particular slide, or you can even delete a certain slide. Okay, now moving on, Here you can see this text is actually a part of the above playlist, and the content below that should come under, some sort of contact us section on a website. But Microsoft Sway has interpreted it to be a part of the above playlist. So let's correct that. Let's create a new heading over here. Let's insert a heading card. We'll name it Contact Us. Let's also add a text card here, and we will cut this text from here and paste it over here. Now let's go to design to check this out. Cool. uh, let's go with the moderate option for this text. Now here you can see this part of the text is supposed to be a link. If we go to design and double click, then nothing is happening. But here if we double click, then you can convert this particular text into a link right here. So all you have to do is select the text and click on link, then paste the link again, and you're done. Now if we go to the web page and if I click on the link, then it will open up our YouTube channel. Now at last we have to go to the storyline, and at the top right you can see play. Now if we click on play, then we'll get to see how our final website looks. So yeah, it looks pretty great. Animations are working perfectly. Here you can tap to flip the stack. You can zoom into any image. You can access the slideshows, and also the bottom you can click on any of these links. So if you click on this link, you can visit our website, or you can also send us an email. uh, okay, so it's looking really nice. Now one big advantage of Sway is that you can directly share this particular job that you have created via a link. So here you can see if we click on this, then it will copy the job link, and if you paste the link on a new tab in your browser, then our entire job will load. So you can easily access the website that you have created using Sway simply via a link. So even a simple text document can get transformed into a beautiful web page using Microsoft Sway. I really hope that you found this video useful. Don't forget to check out our Microsoft playlists where we have discussed more videos, and do share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.